The foundation is to build exceptional dogs. That's what this is all about, is to bring out the best that that dog can offer. And when you see a great dog person with a great dog, it's art. So the industry has currently a vision of training dogs that starts with something called a green dog. And the majority of the focus that we're seeing across the industry is their attention to fur missiles, right? Or looking first at these dogs as bite dogs, as apprehension dogs. So the green dogs have been all too often these spinning, high drive, out of control dogs. And now you have handlers without the training ability to manage that. So we wanted to come up with a solution that would increase the capacity of a dog within law enforcement, but also a core foundation dog that could be used everywhere else. So what we did was break down the core needs of a dog in the field. We start very young.
It's all about building confidence.
We expose the dog to using his nose effectively,
Yes.
to using his ears effectively, to using his teeth effectively, and building a communication system with the dog that allows for any handler and multiple handlers to use the power of this canine to fulfill the foundation plus the scenarios needed in that specific operational environment. Tracking, scent detection, protection, apprehension, advanced obedience. The dog gets the training that satisfies 80% of what anybody could want to build on top of that foundation.
Oh, yeah.
Now, instead of you're just acquiring a green dog, what you have is a quality relationship. The handler's now ready to expose that dog to mission essential and mission critical requirements. It gets fun from there. When foundation is complete, the dog's ready for exposure in law enforcement, military use,
He's going to be a police canine.
sports, as a sports dog, and as a service dog for people with disabilities. Those are the things that we know about. These dogs are pretty much ready for anything.
Good girl. Woohoo!
Bringing the most out, the exceptional elements of a dog, exploiting those drives and making that dog the greatest canine it can be. That's what the foundation training is all about.
Al?
We're barely scratching the surface on how canines can be used to help us, help our kids, and help our communities moving forward.